Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. Two cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday. Everything's unstable.
그래서 저쪽에 이렇게.
Do you know who Mrs. Wagner is? Yeah. Awesome. All right. Do you need deposit lunch money?
아, 그쪽으로 들어가 볼까? 여기 사진이 있는데?
You're fine? Well, come on in. How are you? Nice meeting you. And let me guess. Hold on. They're thinking about all my friends. Jean-Louis? Yes. Did I say it right? Oh, good. I've been practicing. Practice pays, right? Come on in. All right. Let's see if you can find your name. Pick a seat. Yes, that's you. All right, bud, you can take it, and any seat that has blue papers on it is a seat that you can start with your family. And that will tell you what to do with your supplies. It'll give you all kinds of jobs to do. So exciting.
이거 다 내 거야, 진짜?
아니, 같이 쓰는 건가 봐. 여긴 이름을 다 떼야겠다. 그냥 다 나눠주는 것 같아, 선생님이 보니까. 이렇게 그냥. 귀여워.
It'll be a two-player. You'll get a die, and they'll get a die. You each get a marker of different color, and each person will color in a number as they score that number with their die. And then at the very end of our 20 minutes, they have.
이거 다 배운 거야? 아, 여기 너무. 제일 좋아요, 여기서?
여기 보면
뭐가 제일 마음에 들어요? 여기가 제일 좋아요?
네. 그 다음에 이거 그랜드 캐니언에서 발견한 거랑 무지개에
All right, let's show everybody. Here we go. Oh, really good.
It does not feel nice to hit the carpet. Yep, if you are holding them, do not run behind them because they'll make your person fall, okay? Just walk gently. Okay? Does that sound fun? Let's do it. Jonathan, Camille.
No, Scarlett, back up. You gotta go on your hands.
Oh no!
You hold one leg, I'll hold the other, okay?
Let it be our song. Let it be our song.
Where the yellow stripes are for the parking lot, we're going to stay from those lines.
Just a rainy morning, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday. Everything's unstable. I was unprepared.